Hello, my name is Esperanza Cordon Barrera. For today I have a vowel and diphthong symbols. The first is the vowel is E. For example, chip, E, chip. O, U, good. U, shoot. Bet. Teacher. Bird. O, door. Cat. Up. Far. On. The second part is for the single vowel sounds. It's a, card, ball, read, shoe, bell, hot, bus, dog, pig, book, shirt, t-shirt. Then diphthongs words. Ear, here. A, wait. Tourist. Oi, boy. Show. Head. I, might. Coat. Coat. There's A, by, late. I, by, height. O, bow, how. O, what, coat. Boy, toy. The last part is a case. I, buy. Oi, boy. You, tourist. Thank you so much.